In this video, I am going to show you how to create an AI influencer. First, we need to create a character for our influencer AI. For it, go to Leonardo AI. It is a free AI image generator to make a photo of your character's face. You can customize the details or use the ones already available here. Here are different characters that you can use. To get changes, you just need to edit their respective prompt. Once you get the desired results, click on the download button. You can also use Tensor Dort, another free AI image generator, to create images similar to your character. It can provide around 100 plus images with similar body type, hairstyle, and hair color. Once you get the image, click on the remix button and sign in to continue. First, create your account. Once done, go to the remix section. Select your aspect ratio and click on Generate. Get your plan to continue. This will create you an AI influencer. Create images and videos of it and start using it as an Instagram model. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.